From the moment YouTube Shorts were launched, creators have been asking this very simple question. Can I monetize them and how much will I make? Well, today we have the answer. Nice. You've surely heard of this creator fund by now, $100 million worth of cash to be shared out between YouTube Shorts creators. It was announced almost 3 months ago, and since then we've heard nothing. Until now. That's because YouTube have just released their full explainer video on how they're going to monetize YouTube Shorts, and I'm going to summarize it in this video with a few sprinklings of my own thoughts and opinions. I'm Rob, by the way. Welcome back to vidIQ, educating you on your YouTube journey. Today's lesson is all about how to monetize your YouTube Shorts. The plan is for YouTube to share $100 million across the creator community that produces shorts over 2021 and 2022. To give you an idea of the size of the YouTube Shorts creator community, millions of creators are creating tens of millions of videos, and according to a recent news article, 15 billion YouTube Shorts are viewed every single day. It's clear then that shorts are here to stay, and YouTube is trying its very best to incentivize creators to keep on making them. And the very best way to do that is through these Canadian banknotes, because they are literally indestructible. Come on. Actually, I'm lying, because Canada isn't one of the countries eligible yet to receive the Creator Fund, as you can see here. But as with everything, YouTube will slowly be rolling this out to more and more countries in the future. However, when it comes to eligibility, this is the biggest thing you need to try and wrap your head around. The Creator Shorts Fund is not part of the YouTube Partner Program. There isn't anything you need to apply for. You don't have to be part of the existing YouTube Partner Program. In short, YouTube will contact you. And when they do, you could earn as little as $100 per month, or as much as $10,000 per month. Yes, that's right folks, there is an earnings cap, which does make sense given the limited amount of funds there are to go around the creator community. The amount you will receive will be determined by the performance of your shorts and the geographical location of the audience who watches them. This, of course, sounds very similar to how YouTube ad revenue works, but don't expect to go into your analytics and find information on your estimated playbacks and CPM for YouTube Shorts. There's two reasons for this. YouTube are still testing out ads on shorts, so I don't think the views you earn are directly related to ad revenue. And of course, this is all still at YouTube's discretion. You're not entering into an open partner program where you can earn as much as humanly possible. That's why there are caps in place. Now, as to actually who is going to receive these invites and payments is a complete mystery. If you divide this $100 million over 80 months, which is the remainder of 2021 and the whole of 2022, that's $5.5 million every single month to be spread across all of these shorts creators. Now, let's just say there are 250 YouTube Shorts creators out there, creators of the caliber of Jake Fellman, who are gaining hundreds of millions of views every single month, and they earn $10,000, the top rate. Well, that's $2.5 million gone already from the monthly allocation of that creator fund. On the other end of the scale, if 10,000 creators earn $100 a month, that's $1 million. I don't know if YouTube are going to be very selective with the volume of creators who earn payments, or they're going to try and spread it out across as many people as possible. I think in any case, $100 million is not going to go very far, and many creators are going to be left somewhat disappointed. But on the other hand, it's better than nothing. It's a start. The good news is that eligibility for YouTube Shorts payments refreshes every single month, so it's up to you to create great content that gets their attention. But at the same time, this will create some uncertainty, as you're not going to know from month to month whether or not you're going to be paid. Now, although this Shorts Creator Fund isn't technically part of the YouTube Partner Program, there are still some eligibility criteria. You do need to have uploaded a YouTube short within the last 180 days, and of course, all of your content does need to follow standard YouTube community guidelines. Also, and this makes me so happy, YouTube is about to lay the smackdown on content that shouldn't be on the platform. If you're ripping content from TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any other video platform that contains an obvious watermark, the content simply won't be eligible. So I think this is a fair warning. If you've been let's be honest about this, stealing content from elsewhere and putting it on YouTube, you expect to be monetized, you need to clean all of that stuff up right now. Now, of course, there may be those of you who are legitimately repurposing your content from another video platform onto YouTube, but you're leaving in the watermarks. I'm afraid you're in the same boat. Your content needs to be clean and it needs to be original to YouTube. And the same goes for re-uploading copyrighted content from movies and television. Don't expect to be paid for it. The one thing I'm not 100% certain about is whether using popular music through the Shorts camera would impact eligibility, since it's technically copyrighted music. I assume that because you would be using this through YouTube built-in tools, it would have no impact. This, after all, is why YouTube signed up so many music labels so that you could use short clips of them. But remember, you will only have this copyright claim or strike protection if you use YouTube's tools to play the music. I think it's fair to say that there are one or two YouTube Shorts Creator Fund hoops that you need to jump through. But let's say, for argument's sake, that you successfully navigate them all. What happens when you receive a payment? Well, you need to claim it. Between the 8th and the 10th of each month, YouTube will email you to let you know if you have a Shorts bonus to claim. So that's key point number one. Make sure that emails from YouTube are not falling into any of your spam filters. If you don't see the email, you'll simply miss out on the bonus payment because you have to claim it by the 25th of each month. And you have to do this every single month. Eagerly await the email and then claim your bonus. Which leads us on to key point number two. Make sure any emails you receive are from YouTube and that they are legitimate. The last thing you want to do is click on a button that compromises your YouTube channel. I think YouTube are already wary of this being a potential problem, as their support page on the Shorts Creator Fund, linked in the description, tells you that YouTube will never ask for your password through an email and to check the email is sent via YouTube or Google. Now then, although this YouTube Shorts Creator Fund bonus payment isn't part of the YouTube Partner Program, in order to cash in this bonus payment, you do have to go through a couple of steps that are very similar to applying for the YouTube Partner Program. Those include accepting terms and conditions, as well as connecting a Google AdSense account to your YouTube channel if you haven't already done this as part of your YouTube Partner Program application. The main difference here is that when you apply for the YouTube Partner Program, your channel is then reviewed to see whether or not it's eligible for that program. On the other hand, when it comes to this Shorts Creator bonus payout, YouTube has already reviewed your channel and accepted it. So if you receive that email, you just need to cash it in and follow the instructions. The payout process is the same as the YouTube Partner Program, in that any revenue earned is not actually paid into your Google AdSense account until the following month. The YouTube Explainer video runs through this in quite a bit of detail, so do make sure to check it out. So then, as of time of recording, we find ourselves at the beginning of August 2021. I'm really fascinated and excited to know whether any of our community is about to receive one of those YouTube Shorts Creator bonus payments in a couple of days' time. Do let us know in the comments below, or indeed share it on social media if you're willing to do that. And of course, congratulations. And I don't know if any of you watched my previous video, which was all about YouTube Shorts, and we were talking about hashtag justice for Jake. Well, that didn't take very long, did it?